Presenting the 2012 Toyota Tacoma. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Brakes safely with the anti-lock braking system. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.